Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Tony. I am happy to be here once again. This time round, I have brought you an interesting course. This course is all about English sounds. So I request you to watch all these videos from lesson 1 up to the last lesson, and they will help you to improve your pronunciation, and even your reading skills will improve. I know the videos are going to be many from the first lesson up to the last one, but please, I request you watch all the videos. By the end of those videos, you will benefit a lot. However, I would also like to request you, as you watch these videos, I request you to comment, to like, and share with others who would like to improve on their pronunciation, and also those who would like to improve on their reading skills. Let's go to lesson 1.